Struggle is key to success. Never give up. These are the few words that should brighten your dreams. But what happened to us? So let us discuss one of the biggest stars' life success. Here comes the Dwayne Johnson. Dwayne Johnson began his career as The Rock in WWE, but went on to become one of the most successful actors in today's film industry. I am going to show you the collection of the top success stories or the top success lessons of his life that should brighten your future. First of all, you should strengthen your dreams. You should know what is your dream. Understand your dreams. To achieve your dreams, you need to understand and why you want them so bad. Why do you do what you do? If you really don't know, then how can you expect to keep on striving until you reach them? Number 2. Hard work sucks. Don't let it stop you. Hard work can suck sometimes, no matter how much passion you have from something. There are always times where you feel drained. Don't let this hard work get in your way. Do what you must do. How do you think Dwayne got that rock hard body? He is sporting now. He worked for it. Never lose faith. Never lose hope. There was a point in the time where The Rock only had $7 in his pocket. He was broke. He was at the bottom. But he never gave up. He started doing anything he could to put some more money in his pocket. And he told himself that one day he wouldn't have to worry about being broke. This is his life. Now he is the star. He is the superior.